Good morning, my lovely students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Myself, Rajni Sadnani, your English teacher. Now students, in last video, we have started chapter number 12, prepositions. In prepositions, we have learned prepositions of place. In prepositions of place, we have learned in, on and under. Now, today we are going to learn prepositions of time. What we are going to learn today? Prepositions of time. Now, prepositions of time tell us the time when something happens. Prepositions of time tell us the time when something happens. Now, it means preposition of time हमें ये बताता है कि कौन सी चीज कब हुई थी. Tell us time, वो हमें time बताता है when something happens. Okay. Now, first in prepositions of time we will learn in. When we will use in, we use in with time of day, months and years. We use in. हम in कब यूज करेंगे? With time of day. जो दिन का टाइम है वो. Months and years. Now look at here. In the morning. अगर मॉर्निंग का टाइम है, ये क्या है? टाइम ऑफ डे. मॉर्निंग जो है वो टाइम ऑफ डे है, तो मॉर्निंग में हम क्या यूज करेंगे? इन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई ब्रश माई टीथ इन द मॉर्निंग. ओके. द आफ्टरनून. आफ्टरनून भी डे का टाइम है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी हैव अवर लंच इन आफ्टरनून. ओके. इवनिंग. इवनिंग भी टाइम है, डे का टाइम है. ओके. देन फेब्रुअरी. फेब्रुअरी इज मंथ. फेब्रुअरी क्या है? मंथ. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई बर्थडे कम्स इन फेब्रुअरी. मेरा बर्थडे फेब्रुअरी में आता है. ओके. अनदर एग्जाम्पल, you can say that I will go to Mumbai in March. Then summer, winter. अगर सीजन है तो भी हम क्या यूज करेंगे? in. Then year. year 2014. here यहाँ पे month नहीं होना चाहिए, सिर्फ year होगा. ओके. if it is there only year, then we will use I and in. Now, on. When we will use on? We use on with days and dates. हम on कब यूज करेंगे? days and dates के साथ. Okay. Now, Sunday. Sunday is a day. For example, we have a holiday on Sunday. Okay. Monday morning. मंडे के साथ भी हम क्या यूज करेंगे? ऑन. सेम वे ट्यूसडे. ओके. देन माई बर्थडे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई वेयर ब्लू ड्रेस ऑन माई बर्थडे. ओके. सो देयर ऑल्सो वी विल यूज ऑन. देन 5th May. नाउ लुक एट हियर. हियर इट इज रिटन डेट. यहाँ पे डेट लिखा हुआ है. अगर डेट के साथ मंथ है, if the month is with date, then we will use o and on. तब हम क्या यूज करेंगे? o and on. अगर डेट के साथ मंथ है तो क्या आएगा बेटा? o and on. अगर सिर्फ मंथ है, डेट नहीं है, if there is no date, only month is mentioned, then we will write in. If the date is mentioned with the month, then we will write on. Okay. Now, for example, my birthday is on 20 November. Okay, my birthday is on 20 November. अब यहाँ वहां पे क्या आया, नवंबर के साथ डेट आई, so we have written on. Same here 25th December. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Okay. Now when we use at with clock time and festivals. We use at with clock time and festivals. हम at कब यूज करेंगे, clock time means time के साथ और festivals के साथ. Now night, अगर night का time है then also we will write at 6 o'clock. यहाँ पे time बता रहा है. I wake up at 6 o'clock. 10:30 p.m. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. Noon का time, bed time, midnight और होली. होली is a festival. कोई भी अगर फेस्टिवल है तो हम उस पे क्या डालेंगे, at. Okay. Now exercise C. Write the given words in the correct columns. Write the given words in the correct columns. Now in this exercise you have to write the words in the correct column. Now here there are 3 columns: on, in, at. Okay, these are the words. Number 1, January. अब हम जनवरी किसके साथ लिखेंगे बेटा, on, in और at. We write month in column. January. Okay, January in में आएगा बेटा. My birthday is in January. Saturday. Saturday, where we will write Saturday? On, in or at. We will write Saturday in on column. I have holiday on Saturday. Next 4 p.m. अगर टाइम है तो मैंने क्या बोला था, कहाँ पे लिखना है, there is time, we will write in at column. I wake up at 4 p.m. I go to classes at 4 p.m. Now next the afternoon. आफ्टरनून अगर मैंने बोला था कोई भी डे टाइम हो, मॉर्निंग, आफ्टरनून, इवनिंग, वो हम कहाँ पे लिखेंगे बेटा, इन कॉलम में. वेयर वी विल राइट द आफ्टरनून, इन कॉलम, इन द आफ्टरनून. Last, Christmas. Now Christmas is a holiday. मैंने बोला था अगर holiday है, if there is a holiday, then we will write it at column. We use at with holiday. Okay. Now exercise D. Complete these sentences with these prepositions of time. Complete these sentences with these prepositions of time: on, in, at. Now in this exercise we have to complete the sentences with preposition of time. Now which are prepositions of time? On, in and at. Now these on, in and at we have to use in these sentences. Now number 1, school starts dash 8 o'clock. School starts dash 8 o'clock. Now here it is showing time 8 o'clock. यहाँ पे time बता रहा है 8 o'clock. When it showed time, then what we will use? In, on और at. हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? In लिखेंगे, on और at. What will come over here? Here it will come at. I have told you that it is टाइम, अगर टाइम है 8 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, then we will write at. Number 2, I brush my teeth dash the morning. I brush my teeth dash the morning. Now here what will come? It is a day time. ये day का time है. So I have told you that it is morning, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. So here it will come I and in. I brush my teeth in the morning. Next, number 3, we are going for a film dash Sunday. We are going for a film dash Sunday. Now what will here come? What will come over here? It is Sunday. ये day है. If there is a day, then what we will write? If there is a day, then we will use O and on. So here it will come O and on. We are going for a film on Sunday. We are going for a film on Sunday. Now last, the watchman goes to sleep dash 6 a.m. The watchman goes to sleep dash 6 a.m. Now here it is written time. यहाँ पे time लिखा हुआ है 6 a.m. जैसे यहाँ number 1 में what it is written 8 o'clock. Here it is time same 6 a.m. What will come over here if there is time? We will write 80 at. The watchman goes to sleep at 6 a.m. The watchman goes to sleep at 6 a.m. Now exercise E. Complete these sentences with the words given in the box. Complete these sentences with the words given in the box. Now in this exercise, we have to complete the sentence by using the word given in the box. Now, number 1. What do you do on? What do you do on? So here what will come? Sunday, 1 o'clock, evening, summer, your birthday or night. What will come over here? Here it will come your birthday. I have told you that if there is birthday, then we will use on. What do you do on your birthday? What do you do on your birthday? Number 2. Grandfather likes to relax in dash. Grandfather likes to relax in dash. Now when grandfather wants to relax? In the evening. Grandfather likes to relax in the evening. Number 3. Chennai gets hot in dash. Chennai gets hot in dash. Now when did Chennai gets hot? Chennai में गर्मी कब पड़ती है बहुत? In summer. What we will write over here? Summer. Chennai gets hot in summer. Number 4. The moon comes out at dash. The moon comes out at dash. जो moon है वो कब आता है? The moon comes out at night. The moon comes out at night. Now, in exercise F, you have to complete the passage by using preposition time or place. उसमें भी आपको preposition ही use करना है. Okay, now bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.